Hello, everyone. Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about spillover in the Live Good Network. Spillover in the Live Good Network. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you just a little bit of the tea coming directly from our back office as to understanding what spillover is, how to expect it, and what will it do for you being on a certain team. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, 294,799 members have joined after me in the power line. That's right. Almost 300,000 people have already joined after me in the power line. But a lot of you all might have been wondering, because I've had several people to say, Cassandra, I've been in a month, I've been in 30 days. I was just wondering, how does the whole spillover work? Where are the pre-enrollees that I saw before I actually took a gander and said, hey, I'm going to take part in Live Good myself personally? Well, first and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say this. I very, very rarely talk about spillover, but because there's a specialty about spillover and that the company actually shares the possibility of spillover, we're going to have a little talk about it today. And so what we're going to first clear up is exactly what the company's explanation of spillover, how to expect it, and where it's coming from. So first and foremost, most of the people you see in the power line will not be under you in the matrix, okay? So members are placed in the matrix following their enroller, okay? Spillover is created when your enroller and the people above you in the matrix enroll people faster than you. So people that are really taking this to the next level, they are actually being able to create spillover because they're working the business. That's quite natural. Now when that happens, some of those people may fall under you in the matrix, as the only place for new members to go is under the ones who are already there. Now let's make sure that you understand the company is saying, keep in mind, there's a fast way to build and there's a slow way to build. Then the slow way is simply to sit back and wait for spillover. So ladies and gentlemen, each and every one of you all that are waiting for spillover, the biggest thing you have to have is what? The big P. Patience, because spillover is being created by the efforts of those people above you, and of course as they're working the business as they should, because a lot of people have goals, they have things that they want to achieve, and they're choosing to use Live Good as that platform. Then of course they're going to build this business day in, day out. They have a routine just like myself. There's a faster way to growing this business, of course, and that is just take a few moments daily and share the opportunity. Reach out to people and tell them to take the tour. I know I tell people to take the tour every single day. Now it may take a few weeks to see any spillover, possibly a few months, and that's okay. Even one person who gets placed below you in the matrix who goes to work could be earning you hundreds of dollars a month in residual income for years and years to come. So be patient, or you can start building this the fast way and make a lot more money by building your matrix faster and capitalizing on huge matching bonuses. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to stop right there because I see the value here in Live Good. Everybody that has stepped into Live Good sees the same value. Now, if you're only in Live Good for the financial part of it, then it might be hard to see the value in it. And let me tell you why. Because honestly speaking, if you're only money driven, then what good is having money and your health is not intact? At Live Good, they are definitely giving us products, top shelf products that have the ingredients that you would only pray for from other places that charge 70 to 80% higher in a markup, and the value is not even there. So ladies and gentlemen, you might want to ask yourself, do I really want to sit back and sit on my loins and wait for this? Or do I want to get out there like the rest of us and like the rest of my star-studded team and share Live Good by just simply asking people to take the tour. I assure you, once people start taking the tour, they will see the amazing benefits that we see, not just from the compensation plan itself, but also from the ingredients and the price point, that we're able to get the vitamins, we're able to get the products that everybody has grown to love and is making a healthy difference in their life for little to nothing. 70% off is unheard of in a nutritional realm. So I just wanted to let you know, do you really want to just sit back and wait for Spillover? And if you do, please just be patient with us. All of us are growing our team because we have goals in mind, we have aspirations, and we have intention to make sure that Live Good is not just a fad, but this is going to be a household name. It's already starting to be a household name with so many people. It's already changing lives of other people, jumping ship from other nutritional companies and coming on board. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope that helped you understand a little bit about Spillover and whether or not you should be a participant in being patient in getting Spillover, or should you be a participant and starting to create Spillover yourself. Either way, we love to have you. Definitely click the link below. We want you on our team. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe. Love to have you here. And just to make sure you don't miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell. So anytime that I upload a video, you'll be the first to know the tea on Live Good. So definitely thank you so much. I appreciate you coming by. You all have a wonderful one, and God bless.